Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm super excited to share something fresh and unique. I got the cartoon series 1 from MGA Entertainment. Today I have here 87 Chevy C10. I'll get back to it later. Let's talk about what make this cartoon diecast vehicle stand out. They have chrome details that make them shine. And if you are looking for a tuned car, another alternative is muscle machines. Sometimes Hot Wheels releases tuned cars, but this one seems to be a different from them all. So before we dive into details, let's unbox it. So what's the buzz all about? These cars are equipped with the real rubber tires and metal body, weighing just 40 grams. The best part is they are sturdy. And let's not forget about the detailed wheels. Each model has a unique rim that really set it apart from the rest. How cool is that? Now, I know that you are thinking, how do they perform on the track? Well, I haven't had a chance to put them to the test just yet, but based on the smooth rolling, they might be more of a display piece rather than a track star. So if you had the chance to race these on your tracks, drop a comment and let me know how they were handled. So why did I grab this cartoon diecast car? It's simple. They are unique. They remind me of those classic muscle machines and Hot Wheels. But it's those wheels and rims that truly hooked me. They're not just cool to look at, they are unique in their own way. And my thoughts, the cartoon diecast car are perfect for both play and display. So whether you are a collector or just someone who loves cool, well-made cars, these are definitely worth adding to your collection. They bring a fresh vibe to the diecast world, and I'm stoked to see that other series MG Entertainment rolls out next. So what do you think about the cartoon? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. Let me know in the comments what other diecast model you would like to see featured. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.